Yeah, Omkhula. Uyazi umuntu efone ekhaya. Hallo mama ninjani? Hayi egoli ngihleli kahle. Umakhelwane wami ngumlungu. So yeah, bangani bami. Ungabona umlungu sasima nabantu abamnyama so kasela lutho. What we are saying, if you are standing with the black people like this, you are now shit, you know. Total nothing. Are you alright? Try your luck, my brother. This is your type here. Try your best.
You see, try your best.
No, Sisi, don't allow him. He's a photocopy now. No money for airtime, this man.
No money for airtime.
He's now a photocopy.
Yeah.
It's better if you want a boyfriend here in Africa, you deal with this man. This man is better. You see, he's wearing a black plastic there.
It's not in there, there's a black one.
It's a black plastic.
Wanafana. Yabona ukusuka emhlophe njengosisi lo mina lapha lo.
Kumele sikubhoyile 1 week. Mama siyadelela lezi zinto. Mama ngalitshela ukuthi mina qoma noma Nigeria nidla imali.
Hayi ukusala na.
Mina senisala noma Nigeria. Thola umntwana une 3 months, ikhanda liweya 5 kg.